Fuck this.
See the full range at pioneeroutfitters.co.nz. Yeah, honest value for an honest dollar. William Cotton and Sons' new purpose-built chapel in Fielding has live stream services, so you can celebrate life with family and friends worldwide. William Cotton and...
What an asshole, right?
This week marks 50 years since High Voltage, AC/DC's debut album, came out. A bit more of a glam rock sounding album it was. The first release anyway, in Australia only. It wasn't, I think a couple of years before it was released internationally with a very different set list, but it was also today, 1980, that Bon Scott passed away. We'll tell you the story and pay tribute to the former AC/DC frontman straight after this.
Kickstart your workday with 40-minute long sets on the sound. Listen from 9 for nothing but the greatest music ever made.
Mugos!
We got one!
Everyone to know. And actually, you and I have talked about sorry, so much of what we buy too is about us trying to protect the world. Please don't ignore me, and that is a really important part of it by showing to the world, hey, I'm successful. I can afford these things, whether it's
So there's some fucking idiots on the road. Oh,
But wait! There's more!
whoa, fucking idiot.
What the hell is even that? Go.
Stop it. Get some help.
You fucking donkey!
Oh, you silly man. You need to pull over here in the bus stop.
dodgy is that?
Yeah.
Look at that. We've got one number plate over a different number plate. You can't do that.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Ja, I brought the schnitzel, baby. Schnitzel, baby. Ja. Take my schnitzel in your mouth. There's no need to hurry, baby. Take your time with my schnitzel. My schnitzel comes with mayo. Yeah, I have a schnitzel. Schnitzel chicken, schnitzel veal. Now I love can't be for real. Schnitzel crowned, schnitzel fried. I love will never be denied. No, this schnitzel is not funky enough. Come here, I want to spit on you. Get out of my sight, schnitzel boy. No, you can leave this schnitzel. Yeah, I have a schnitzel.
Fucking stupid woman!
Schnitzel's not a breakfast food. It's more for lunch, dinner. Sometimes I even eat cold schnitzel.